This is a counseling tool that provides soldiers with a detailed understanding of their personal finances, both immediate and long-term. I'm Cadet Chloe Smith, and my partner is Cadet Ben Coleman. For the agenda, we will first review the influence diagram we used to create our model, go over the specific tabs within our model, and then provide an example of how our model works. Here is the influence diagram we used to create our budget counseling tool, and you will see many of these variables represented within our budget counseling tool, as well as base pay, monthly expenses, savings, taxes, investments, retirement, as well as special pay. Now to take a look at our budget counseling tool. So everything highlighted in yellow is a user input. So let's say I am a first lieutenant. I'm going to input my rank here, and I've had 2 years in service. I can expect to be promoted to 03 in 1 year, and so here my monthly base pay as well as my 1 year base pay and 5 year base pay will populate here. I'm also able to put in my anticipated retirement rank, as well as how many years I've had in service, which will help me determine how much retirement pay I can expect to have once I retire. If I would like to set a goal, I am able to do so down here of how much I would like to have at retirement and how much I will put in my retirement account in a monthly basis. For taxes, the only input required is family status, whether or not you're single, married, or the head of a household, and that will populate your taxable income, a tax bracket, as well as your taxes. For education, you input here whether or not you are pursuing a degree, how many current semester hours you have, and how many cumulative hours you have in the past. That will populate how much eligible assistance you are required for. Then we have the housing allowance. Again, you put in your grade, where you are stationed, whether or not you have dependents, and that will populate a BAH monthly allowance that you are able to use towards housing. Finally, we have a special pay sheet that we will use. It will ask whether or not you have deployments, how long those deployments last, whether or not it was an extended tour, and how much deployment pay you are eligible for because of that deployment. This will all populate on the summary page. You will see monthly pay after savings, yearly pay after taxes, your combined benefits package, your retirement account at retirement, as well as your equivalent yearly income. This will also populate onto these graphic models to provide soldiers with easy understanding of how their personal investments and finances work.